Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to print a board on monday.com. So if you're using monday.com and if you need to print a board, watch this video as it's going to help you how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com, and then once when you do it, you'll be redirected to the home page. Once when you're here, you have to open the board that you need to take a print out of. Now, I'm going to tell you something very important. You can't directly print a board on monday.com. Monday.com directly won't give you any facility like that, but there's always an alternative, and there is a way that you can print this board right here. And I'm going to tell you the way. What you have to do is you have to actually extract it to Excel or PDF, and then you have to print it. It's just the same, only the methodology is different. So what you need to do is you have to first find a way to export the board to Excel or PDF. Let me just see how we can do that. Usually it is done through here, but let me find it. Here you go, export board and export board to Excel. You can include the updates, include sub items. There are no sub items, so it's okay. Uh, let's just go with this because there are no updates. So it's going to export it. Here you go. And then we're going to open it through Microsoft Excel. It'll take some time. Here you go. Now the board is open. You can edit anything that you want to edit here. And once when you're done with that, you need to go here and you need to print it. Here you go, print. And that's how you can print a board. You need to just format the printer settings and stuff if you want to make it all on one page, but that's how you actually print it. So that's it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.